Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to today's class. Today is day 50. Day is day 57 of our web development course. And today we're going to look at a concept which is data attributes. Okay? Then we'll look at a concept which is data attributes. Okay? Okay. So, members, this is what we're going to cover today, and we shall also look at some additional concepts. For example, the truncate. We shall also look at the truncate, the truncate, the truncate, the truncate, and the line clamp, and the line clamp, and the line clamp. Okay? Okay. So these are the concepts we are going to study today. Members, we are moving towards the end. We are approaching towards the end of JavaScript. If you have any query at all about any topic, you can let me know in the comment section. I see how I can help you. Okay? Okay. This is what we're going to cover today: data attributes and the truncate. Okay? Okay, and the line clamp. So, members, this is going to be like the last concept which we're going to cover in JavaScript. Tomorrow is going to be. Let me just hint about what we covered previously, so that some members can see what we have been covering. Okay. Okay. So, yesterday was day 56 of our development course, and yesterday we looked at fetching. Fetching data for a single product. Okay. Look at fetching data for a single product from an API. Okay. Okay. So, members, I hope no one has any problem at all as far as fetching data from a single product from an API is concerned. Okay. Okay. This is very simple. Fetching data. There's fetching data for all products. There's fetching data for all products, and there is fetching data for a single product. Okay. Okay. So, members, I hope no one has any problem. Any problem by now. Okay. Right now, API should be your very best friend. If you have any challenges with API, please put it in the comment section. I see how I can help you. Okay. Okay. Right now, API should be your best friend. Okay. Because where we are going in future, we shall require to use more of APIs. Okay. Okay. So today is going to be the last day of studying this concept. Okay. Tomorrow we're going to conclude JavaScript. Okay. Tomorrow is going to be day 58, and tomorrow is going to be the end of JavaScript. Okay. The end of our front end course. Okay. Tomorrow is going to be the end of our front end course, and tomorrow we're going to look at it's going to be the end. It's going to finalize everything. End of our JavaScript class. What's going to be the end of our JavaScript class, and members are going to finalize everything. Okay. Okay. So, members, please make sure that you are there tomorrow. Okay. We are going to finalize everything, and it's really important. Okay. Okay. And tomorrow we are going to look at where the various branches, for example, Node.js, React.js, and Angular, Vue.js, Meteor.js. We're going to look at all these ones tomorrow, and you see various branches where people branch to. Okay, so tomorrow we're going to finalize JavaScript tomorrow. Okay, please make sure that you are there. Okay, okay. So, members, if you haven't yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and notification icon so that you don't miss any of the upcoming classes. Okay, okay. So, members, we have moved towards the end, and we are almost at the very end. Okay. If you have any problem with as far as JavaScript is concerned, please let me know in the comment section. I see how I can help you. Okay? Okay. So, members, this one I can maybe take it off. I hope you are right now. You are good. This is now your best friend. Okay? This API here is now your best friend. Okay? I hope no one has any challenge with this at all. Okay? Okay. So we're going to look at data attributes and also the truncate and the line clamp. Okay? Okay. So, data attributes. This is a very powerful concept. Okay, this concept here it may not make sense for someone until they have, for example, like let me say like they have like a website. Like let me say like you have like your web app like this one here, and you have, for example, various products. Okay, You have various products. Let me say this is product 1. Okay? Let me just say this is product 1. Let me get this one and I duplicate it. I put it here. This is product 2. Okay? This is product 2. This is product 3. This is product 3. Okay? Then here, this is product 4. Okay? Then here, this is product 5. Okay? This is product 6. Okay? This is product 7. This is product 7, and now this is product 8, and even more. Okay? Okay. Looks to be a very silent topic, but it is very crucial. This one here. Okay? It is very crucial. Someone could even skip it when he doesn't even know that it exists. But it is very crucial. Okay? Okay. The time whereby you have, for example, this is product 1, product 2, product 3, product 4, product 5, product 6, product 7, product 8. And now, instead of, now you come whereby a realization where you need a detailed pop-up. You need a pop-up, like a pop-up menu, or a pop-up, or just a simple pop-up, okay? Okay, so when you reach a certain time whereby you require a pop-up like this, and this pop-up here is going to contain the details of a particular product, okay? The details of a particular product, okay? The details of a particular product. Instead of, I can even come here and say, instead, I come and even put here, instead, eh? Instead of a detailed page, with all our products, okay? You want something that is unique, You want a pop-up to appear. For example, if I have, for example, products like this one here, product 1, I can even come and put here product 1, product 1, product 1, product 1, okay? This is product 1. As you can see, it's like this, okay? Product 1 is like that, okay? Now this one, product 2, product 3 like that, product 4 like that, okay? I'm not going to, let me just copy it and then maybe I duplicate it and someone sees. This is now product 2. Product 2, okay? Product 2 like this. Then I come here, product 3. Product 3, product 4. Product 4 is here. Okay, product 5 is here. Product 5. Then product 6 is here. Okay, product 6 is here. Okay, then product 7 is here. Okay, members, I'm just using sketches, but what I'm showing you is this is whereby the reality sets in. Okay, product 7, then this is product 8. Okay, product 8 like this. Okay, okay. So these products here, they have. Let me just mention the various items which are in these products. Each product. Let me even first mention each product. Each product has a name. Okay, details. Okay, it has a name. It has details. It has an image. Okay, and even more things and more. Okay, I even put here and more. Each product has this. Okay, each product has this. Okay, okay. So each and every product has this. Each product has a name, details, image, and more. Okay, okay. So where this thing becomes a reality is where each and every product has a button called view details. Okay, each and every product has a button called view details. Okay, view details. Okay, each and every product has a button called view details. So when you tap on this product like this, a pop-up shows and it shows you the details. Instead of a detailed page, a pop-up shows. Okay, instead of a detailed taking me to the detailed page which has all the details, a pop-up shows up. Okay, I must repeat this 3 times, okay, for someone to understand. Instead of when I tap on view details, a button for view details about a particular product, instead of me taking me to the detailed page, a pop-up shows up with all the details of a particular product. Okay? When I come and tap on, for example, product 1 and there is a button called view details, it shows me the pop-up comes up on the screen and shows me the details of that particular product. Okay? Then when I come and tap on product 3 here, where there is view details, when I come and tap on product 3, where there is a button for view details, okay? And instead of it taking me to a detailed page, it shows me a pop-up which is organized and it shows me the details of that particular product. Okay? Even this product 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and even more. That is when this concept of data attributes comes in. And everybody needs to be knowing this concept. If you don't know it very well, that is where you will fail to do this, okay? That's why you will fail to administer this concept. This one will hit you back, okay? Okay, so we are going to start. We are going to start and we see. As you can see, maybe let me try to take it down here. Now we are going to start, okay? Okay, so these data attributes here, they are silent, okay? HTML, these data attributes here, attributes, they are very silent, but they are crucial, okay? Okay, so you have, for example, it allows us to do something like this, data, okay? Data, then you put whatever you want, eh? I can even, whatever follows here after data, or whatever follows after data is your attribute, okay? Whatever follows after data is your attribute, okay? This concept here, you can use it, for example, on divs, can apply to divs, okay? Can apply to headings, okay? Can apply to headings, can apply to paragraphs, and can apply to buttons, okay? Can apply to buttons, okay? Okay, so this concept is like that, okay? Okay, so you store some data about these things, for example, divs, headings, paragraphs, buttons, and even more, okay? But it is more serious when it comes to the buttons, because the buttons are almost like the threshold, okay? This is where it becomes very serious, okay? Okay, so this concept of data you're seeing here, it has to store some data about a particular thing, okay? It can be an ID, it can be an image, it can be anything about a particular element, okay? Okay, so let me first come here, create here my folder here. I come here in lessons, a JavaScript class. We are moving, members, we are moving towards the end and the end. I hope everybody has understood JavaScript very well. You have no problem at all as far as JavaScript is concerned, okay? Okay, JavaScript right now should be our best friend. So I come here, day 57, okay? Okay, there's the 57. Web development course, it's there. So as you can see, so let me first come here up. Yes, it's like that. Day 57 is here. So I'm going to come here and create my open folder, open with code, okay? I open with code right now. Open with code, and now it's coming here. I create my index.html, index.html is there. Then I come, I create here my app. I come in, I create here my app.js, my app.js, okay? Okay, so it's like this. So I'm going to show you this concept from scratch. Someone understands this from scratch, okay? Okay, so when I come here in my index here, and I create here I put that images like that, everything is good, okay? Okay, so when I come here and put here, for example, app.js, I put here script source app.js, okay? Then I come here at the end, I put here the far, okay? Okay, so I come there, everything is good, okay? Okay, so I'm going to come here, I say go live. I want to go live and I see what it's there, how it is in the browser. So that the page is empty, okay? So I can come here and just put, for example, something. I can maybe come here and put here div, okay? I put here, for example, div, and I put here, we are learning attributes, okay? We are learning data attributes, okay? We are learning data attributes, okay? Okay. So I'm just giving you this one for you to understand, okay? We are learning data attributes, okay? Okay. So when I come here, it's like that we are learning data attributes, okay? Okay. So members, I can come here and maybe instead of giving it like I want now to give it to give some some attributes. Attributes are these things here which you want to store. For example, variables about a particular element. Okay. Okay. I can maybe just come and put here, for example, I come here and I put here data. Okay. Just give it some data. I give it, for example, data, and I put here, for example, name. Okay, data name, and I put here data name, and I just say maybe this one, the data for this one, I'm just going to give it, for example, title. I'm just going to call it maybe title. Okay, okay, or I can just call it even name or title. Anything can happen. Okay, but the biggest thing is as long as anything that follows here is your own. Okay, you begin with data, data, then this. Are you seeing that are you seeing this dash here? Okay? Then anything which you put after this is yours. It is yours. You just create it by your own self. Okay? So I can just come and put here data name. Okay? Then I do like this, okay? Data name. Then I put here my paragraph. I put here my paragraph. Data name, then I put here maybe my paragraph. Okay? I decided to call it my paragraph. My paragraph. Okay? My paragraph, okay? My paragraph, like this, okay? Okay, so that's my data name, okay? So how do I see this data? This data here that I've put here. Can you even come and give it, for example, data? I'm now giving it an ID. Maybe I give it an ID. I say your ID, and I do like this, and I give it maybe 1. Okay? Members, are you understanding? Eh? So this one which follows, I said data ID like that, okay? Okay, so it looks like this. It looks like that. Okay? Okay. So we are learning data attributes. So now the question is, how do I access these data attributes? I come and say here, how do I access these data attributes? How do I access these data attributes? These data attributes. How do I access these data attributes? Okay? How do I access these data attributes? Okay? So we use a concept which is called dataset. Okay? We just use the dot dataset. Dataset. Okay? This concept here enables me to access particular data attributes that I have put. Okay? That I have put. Okay? It's called the data set. The dot data set. To access these data attributes. Okay? Okay. So I come here. And now I come here and I say, now I want to get this whole div as you see it here. Let me just give it a simple class. I give it a simple class. I say here class, okay? No, first go back. I want to give it a simple class, eh? I come here, it's a class. Then I say here sample paragraph, okay? Sample paragraph. Okay? Sample paragraph. Okay? Okay. So I'm giving it sample paragraph as you can see it here. So I come here, I want to select that paragraph. I come and say const sample paragraph is equal to document.query selector, then I put it here, okay? Then I put here this, then I put here dot, and now I select this one, sample paragraph, as you see it here, okay? Sample paragraph. Then I come, I bring it there, like this, okay? I put it there. So as you can see, it's like this. Okay, so I come and I say here const, I put your console.log, console clg console.log, clg console.log, and I put here sample paragraph. Some paragraph, as you can see, it's like that. Okay, okay, so I'll just see how it looks like. Okay, I come here, inspect console. So my paragraph is here. Are you seeing my paragraph? It is here. Data my paragraph dot id like this. Okay, okay. Are you seeing this? This, don't mind about this variation, don't mind about this. Just mind about what you're seeing here. Data name like this, data ID like that. Sample paragraph, as you can see it there. Okay? Okay. So when you come here, now I want to access the data. This one here, which is here, this data which is here. Okay? So I'm going to use a concept which is called dataset. Okay? So I'm going to come here and say dot dataset. Dot dataset. Okay? So I just add data set to access this data which I'm seeing, which I have here. Data. This one here, which is my paragraph ID like that. Okay. Okay. So I come. So I've accessed my data. Are you seeing my data here? Yeah. Are you seeing my data here? It has here name, yeah, paragraph, ID. Are you seeing? Are you seeing members? Okay. Now I've been able to access my data for this particular div here you're seeing here. Are you seeing? Eh? For this particular div that you are seeing here. Okay? Okay. So that is how I am able to access the data for this particular div. Okay? Okay. So if I want to just get maybe the ID alone, if I want to get maybe the ID alone, okay? The ID alone, this ID you're seeing here alone. Eh? What am I going to do? I'm going to come here and maybe just say CLG, then I say sample paragraph dataset id like this. Okay, okay. So I'm going to access only the id. Okay, only the id. I can even put the access only the id. Access only the id. Okay. Okay, so console.log only the ID, and you can see the IDs here. It is one. Are you seeing this one here? Are you seeing this one, members? Are you seeing this one? The one which is here. The one which is here. Are you seeing the one which is here? Even if I come, I put here 99, maybe 99 like this, okay? It will show that the ID is this one. Are you seeing the ID? Are you seeing the ID, members? Are you seeing the ID here? Okay? So I'm accessing the ID for that particular div or that particular element. Okay? Okay. So let me say now I want to access the name, the name for this, that data name for this product. Okay? For this div, or this element. Okay? What am I want to do? I want to access only the only the name. Okay, access only the name. Okay, then I come here, I say CLG sample paragraph dot dot dataset dot name. Okay, dot name the name which was here. Okay, the name which was here, the one that I added, the extension that I added here. The extension that I added here, okay? Not data name, just name, okay? Okay, so it will come here and put my paragraph. Are you seeing my paragraph here? My paragraph. Are you seeing my paragraph here? Okay? My paragraph, okay? Okay, members, I hope you're understanding this very well. I hope you're understanding this very well, okay? Okay, so I hope you are really understanding this very well, okay? Okay, so I come here. Here we are accessing the data, the whole data. Here I can come here and put here. Here we were accessing the whole data. Here we were accessing the whole data. Okay. So here I come here. This one I can maybe. This one you already know what it means. This one you already know what it means. Okay. But now this here console.log dataset. Here we're accessing the whole data. Okay. Here we're accessing the whole data. Here we're accessing only the ID. Okay. Here we are accessing only the name. Okay? Okay. So let us do another. This is example one. Let us do another example and we see. Let us do another example and we see. Okay? Let's do another example and we see. Okay? Okay. This is example one. Example one. Example one. So right now this is example one, it's done. Okay? Okay. So let us put here, for example, my style.css. Style.css. Okay? Okay. So I can maybe come here, I link the style, I put here link. This is script, don't need style like that. Okay? Okay. So I want to come here, I put here my div. I can maybe come here, I put here a very good div. I put here a very good div. Okay? Okay. I come here, I put here my div. I say here div. Okay? Then I put here maybe title like this. Title. No, maybe this one. Let me do like this. This is div. Let me put here class name, class, and I put here maybe let me put here let me put here parent container. Okay? Let me call it I'm just calling this one parent container. Okay? Then I come inside here. The parent container has another div inside. Then I come here, I put here another div, and this other div here has a title. It's called here class. I can maybe call this one as title. Okay? Title. I can maybe call this one as parent container title, or maybe just title. Okay? Maybe just the title. Okay? Okay. So this one I put that title and I say here, I put here maybe I can just call it anything. Okay? I can just call it anything. Then I come here, I put here div, then I put here a description. Then I put here a description. Okay? Description. I can maybe put this one as lorem. Okay? I maybe put this one as lorem. Okay? Then this one I put here this is the title. This is my title. Okay? Maybe I just put something like this. Okay? Okay. So as you can see, it looks like this. Okay? Okay. Title is here, and also here I'm going to put here class, and I put here description. Okay? Then I put here description. Okay? Class description. Okay? Okay. So members, I just want us to have this simple example. It's going to push us to another example. Okay? Okay. So this is going to be example 2. We have, for example, parent container is like this. It has a title. This is my title, and it has a description. Okay? Okay. So I come here, my CSS like this, and I style it. I say here, I first begin with browser reset. Come here, put browser reset. I put here margin 0. Then I come here, I put here padding 0. And I come here, I put here box sizing, border box. Okay? Box sizing, border box. Okay? Okay. So as you can see, it looks like this. Then I come here, I put now parent container and I come here, give it, for example, width. I can maybe give it maybe 500 pixels. And height, I can give it height, I can maybe give it 250 pixels. Like this. And I come here, I give it background color, maybe orange red, and I say it looks like. Okay? Okay. So it looks like this. Okay? It looks like this. Okay? Okay, like this. Okay? This is my second example. Okay? Don't mind about this other one, mind about this one, which is an orange red. Okay? Okay. So it looks like that. Then I come here, I give here some bit of let me first give you some body. Let me give it some bit of padding. Body, I give it some bit of padding. I come here, I give you a padding. I can maybe just say maybe body. I can give it maybe padding of 1 rem. Okay, padding of 1 rem, just like this. Okay, it's now like that. And this one here, I can give it maybe like that, okay? Okay, so we are working with this one here. This one here, we are working on this one, okay? This one here, parent container, okay? Maybe I can just give this one margin top of maybe 1 rem, okay? Just separate the other previous example from this one. So we are working with this one, which is in orange, okay? We're working with this one, which is in orange, okay? Okay, so we have now a title. The title, this title you are seeing here. This title you are seeing here, okay? This title here. So I come here, I say it there, I come here, I say here the title. Then I come here, I put here, for example, width. I can maybe put maybe 100%. Then I come, I put here maybe height. Then I can maybe say maybe this is 10 VH, okay? Or maybe 20 VH or any. And I come here, I put here background color, and I put here green, okay? Green, okay? Okay, I put here green, it's like this, okay? It's like this. Then I come here, and now I'm going to put here the description. Now I'm working on the description, this one you're seeing here, okay? The description. So I come here, I put here the description, Then I come here, I give here, for example, this is width. Then I come here, I put here 100%. Then I come here, I say height. Height, maybe I can give it maybe, height may just be like, maybe, let me just give it maybe 40 VH, I see. Then I come here, I put here background color. Background color, maybe let me just say gray. Background color maybe gray. Okay? Okay, just like this. So it's like this, okay? It is like that. But now I think it has overlapped. Let me first give that I see. I think it has overlapped. So let me see. It has overlapped. Let me see 20 VH. I see. Okay. So if I give maybe 30, 30 is good. Yeah, it's good. So members, I just come inside here and I give here maybe display flex, align item center, justify content center, okay? Okay. So it looks like this, and I come here, align item center, display flex also, align item center, justify content center, okay? Justify content center, okay? Okay, so it looks like this. It's very good. As you can see, everything is good, okay? Okay, here let me just give you a bit of padding. Give you a padding, maybe 1 rem, okay? 1 rem, okay? Okay, so this is the example 2, okay? Example 2 is like this, okay? This is my title like this. Now members, I want you to mark this, okay? Hey, I want you to mark this very well. Very well, okay? Mark this very well, okay? Okay, so members, I hope you are following up to this level, okay? I don't want anybody to get lost, okay? Okay, so if we have something like this, parent container is like this, it has this one, it has this, it has the description. So by default, we are now on the second example. We are now on the second example. We are now on the second example. Okay? We are now on the second example. Okay? Okay, I can put it even here. So this one you're seeing here, this one which is out here, it is the parent container. This one you're seeing here is the parent container. This one you're seeing there is the parent container. Okay? I've named it parent container because it is that. Even if I name this one box, yeah? Even if I come, I name this one box, yeah? Just box alone. And maybe I come here and change here from parent container and I just put here box. Okay? So I can maybe just, I want to redefine it, okay? So it remains the same. It remains box, okay? It is there, okay? It is here, okay? Okay, so what is going to happen? The box you are seeing here, the box is the parent container, okay? the box which you have always been seeing is the parent container. The box, yeah, is the parent container. This one here, which is out. Which is out is the parent container, okay? And which is out is the parent container. It is the parent container. Parent container. Okay? Okay. It is the parent container. Now this one you're seeing inside here, title and description. Once you're inside here, title and description. When you come here on the UI here, title, this is the box which has the title and the box which has the description. The box for the title and the box for the description, they are child containers. Okay? They are child containers. The box which has the one which has title, and the one which has description. Yeah, they are child containers. Okay, they are child containers, and the box is the parent. Okay, they are child containers. Okay, they are child containers. Members, understand this concept very well. It is going to be the most, the most concept which we are going to use. Okay. Okay, so this is the box and this is the title. These ones are the child containers, and we see them, they are here. Okay, they are here. So members, this concept you are seeing here is going to apply here. It's going to apply almost here. Okay, okay. So if, for example, we have, for example, boxes here, then I put here, I just give it maybe a simple title, box title. I can maybe come here and give it maybe that. And I give here maybe box ID, okay, box ID, and I give it maybe 1, okay, I give it maybe 1, okay, and I come here, I give it maybe box name, maybe box title, I give here data, and I give here maybe boxy, maybe box name, and I come, I put here maybe it's a title. It's a title. It's a title. It's a title. Okay? It's a title. Okay? Okay. So it's a title. Okay? It is a title. So just like this, okay? So when I come here and I give you maybe I give you also data. No, not inside here. I come here and I give here data. Then I give here, for example, data title. Maybe first let me first take this off, and I see it's a box title. It's a box. It's a box title. It's a box title, just like this. Then I come here, I give you maybe data. Yeah, data, maybe data title. Maybe data title. Okay, data title. And I come maybe I give it maybe ID. Just give it a simple ID. Maybe I give 23. Okay, 23. I can also give any other name, any other thing here. It's fine. Okay. So I come in, I give here, for example, data. Okay, data description, ID. So I'm just giving just some random content, so for you just to understand. Okay. So each and every element here could have data of its own. Okay. Could have data of its own. Okay. Okay. So when I come here now, I want to see the data which is inside this one here. Okay. So second example, example 2, I come here and I say const, and I come here, I put maybe box. Okay. I come here, I put here maybe my box. Okay. So I'll select that box. Okay. I come here, I say document.query selector, document.query selector, and I select that box which you are seeing there. Okay. So I called it what? I called it just. Why did I call this? I call it just box. Okay. So I select that, I said dot box. Okay. So I'll see the data which is all inside that box. Okay. So I want to access the data which is inside that box. Yeah. Only and only for the box. I want to access the data, inside the box. is the data for only the box. For only, I want to access all the data. Access all the data for the box. For the box, okay? So how am I going to access all the data for the box? I'm going to come here, it says CLG, and I put here my box, as you see there, dot data set, just like this, okay? The data set. So I'll come here and I see it is here, okay? It is here. Box like this, box name is like that, okay? Box ID like that. Members, I hope you understand this very well, okay? So it is like this box ID as you see it here. Yeah? Box ID as you see it there. Okay? It is here. It is here. Okay? Okay. So it's like that. Now, what am I going to do now? I'm going to come here. I'm going to come here. And now, I'm going to come here. I'm going to come here. Now, I want to access data for the title. Okay? Now, if I want to access maybe the ID for this box here, what am I going to do? I want to come and access only the data ID for this box. I want access the ID for the box. Okay? So what am I going to do? I'm going to come here and say CLG my box dot dataset yeah, dot ID, okay? Okay. So when I come here, I access the ID, it's here. Up 19 dot ID. Yeah. It is undefined. I need to put this as it is, okay? Box ID as you see it there. So I come, I put there. I was wondering, it was showing me undefined. Dot box ID. Okay? Yeah. So here, members, when you're accessing for the particular box, okay? For the particular box, as you can see, we are putting now box ID as you can see it here, okay? Okay, so it comes out like this, okay? It's giving us here 1, okay? Okay, so even here, box name, we can do it the same way, okay? So I can come here and access now the name, the box name, okay? Maybe I want to access, I want to access the box, the name for the box, okay? For the box, name for the box, and I come here CLG, and I put now the my box dot dataset dot box name, okay, as it is the other side, okay, box name. So here I can be able to access the box name, and my box name is this one. It is a box title, okay? It is a box title, just like this. So even that one, you can do it even on these other things here, these ones here, data title. You can also do it on the description, any, okay, to access the description, okay? Okay, so remember, this is how it is. This is how the concept goes, okay? Okay, help members, you have understood how to get the concept here, okay? Hope you have understood how to get the concept here, okay? Okay, so I want to now explain the concept which is called closest, okay? I want to explain for you a concept which is called the closest, okay? Closest, okay? Let me explain for you the concept called closest, okay? So closest, this one you're seeing here is like a function of its own. This closest you're seeing here, it helps or it guides the document. It guides the document, the HTML document, to move up the tree or to find the closest element, the closest or the nearest element or container, the nearest element or container, okay? Members, you just mark this and you know it, okay? It guides the HTML document to find the closest or the nearest element or container, okay? Which I'll use also this one, okay? For example, where we have, for example, something like this, okay? This is my title, lorem, like this, ipsum, okay? Do like this, okay? So it will guide this box here to know the overall container which is here, okay? The one which is near to it, okay? Okay. Same as I hope you have understood that and you are right now you are good. You are really good, okay? Okay. So when I put closest will help me to guide me to the HTML document to know that this one is maybe the nearest to this one. Okay? Okay. So at the moment, right now we are going to do our last example, okay? We're going to do our last example, and I'm also going to explain. Let me use this chance to explain the truncate or the line clamp. Okay. Okay. So let me first explain the line clamp before we go into closest. I hope you have understood closest. Okay. So let me explain line clamp, and we understand line clamp. Okay. Line clamp. Line clamp is a concept that they use when they want to shorten the sentences, okay? For example, if I can maybe get a paragraph like, for example, this one here. Do you see this paragraph here? Okay? Do you see this paragraph here? Okay? I want to put it on one line. Do you see this paragraph here? Okay? I want to put this paragraph here on one line. It's a very long paragraph, as you can see. It is very long. It is very long. Okay? It is very long. Okay? As you can see, it is very long. As you can see, it's there. Okay? So, what is line clamp? Line clamp, they make sure that they reduce this paragraph. Instead of it being like this, okay? It will just become like this. Line clamp, when you apply, this is a very long, let me first put this, this is a very long paragraph, okay? So what happens when you line clamp it? It becomes like this. Line clamp, it becomes like this on only one line. Can come I put here? Maybe this one, let me just reduce it in size. Let me reduce this one in size. I put it, for example, like this here. Okay? Okay. So what happens when you do a line clamp? Line clamp, this happens. Okay? Instead of it being so long like that, it becomes like this. Becomes like this, okay? Then it has what they call an ellipsis, okay? An ellipsis. So line clamp means that it remains on only one line, okay? It remains on only one line, okay? If you have a paragraph which is long, it remains on only one line, okay? Okay. So you can see it's like this, okay? And this one here mostly applies on descriptions. It mostly applies on descriptions, okay? It mostly applies on descriptions, okay? So instead of showing this long paragraph like this, just show something like this, then dot, dot, dot. This one you're seeing here is an ellipsis, okay? This one here you're seeing is an ellipsis. Is an ellipsis. An ellipsis. Okay? These dots here are seeing here. Ellipsis, or I can maybe put them inside here. Dot, 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 3 dots. Okay? Okay. So how do we do a line clamp in our code here? How do we do a line clamp in our code here? How do we do a line clamp here? Okay? So I'm going to come here. I'm going to come here. On this title here, you're seeing here, on this title, description, on this description here. After all these things here, I'm now going to put the things for the line clamp. You see this description here, you're seeing here, is too long. Are you seeing this description here? Is too long. I need to be on only one line, okay? I need to be on only one line. How am I going to do this? I'm going to come here. I do now there is line clamp and there is truncate, okay? There is line clamp and there is truncate. So this one here can apply, this one can be more of a truncate, okay? This one here is a truncate. This one here where there's one line, this one here where there's one line is the truncate, okay? This one here where there's one line is the truncate. But now where there's there are few lines, or can maybe say maybe 2 lines. Then this one is a truncate. Then the line clamp, line clamp, line clamp is where we have 2 or 3 lines. Okay, 2 to 3 lines. But then also this one also has an ellipsis. Okay, so if I want to reduce this one to 3 lines, this is where now we use the line clamp. Okay, to 2, 3, 4 lines. Okay. But this one here where there is 1 line is where you have is the truncate, okay? It's the truncate, okay? Okay. So when I come here and now I want to put the description, okay? I want to use the truncate. What am I going to do? When I come here, of course the width is there, as you can see the width is there. Now what am I going to do? I'm going to come here and say maybe white space. Then I put here, for example, 400. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do like this. Let me first put a white space, and I see white space, no wrap, okay? White space, no wrap, okay? Okay. So it's going to come up like this. So when I say white space, no wrap, it comes on 1 line, okay? You see this one here. It comes on only 1 line, okay? I hope you are seeing this, okay? So when I come white space, no wrap, then I come here, I say overflow, hidden. You see overflow hidden, okay? Overflow hidden, okay? Overflow hidden, okay? So when I come here and say text overflow ellipsis, are you seeing it? So it becomes like that, okay? Okay. So but what I'm going to do is it's going to be like this, okay? We are going to select it. The description I'm going to select it. You're going to select it. I come here and now I'm going to select that exact description, okay? I'm going to come and select this description here, which is here inside here. This is the container, okay? I'm going to come and select this description here. I come inside here, I now put a p tag, okay? I put it inside here, and I select it. I come and I select it, okay? I say this is now truncate. I'm now just naming it truncate, okay? Okay. So I'm going to come here, I put here dot truncate, okay? Then I put here, this is width. Maybe I can just say maybe 300 pixels, okay? Okay. So 300 pixels, and see it looks like this, okay? Okay. So I'll give it 300 pixels. Then I come here and I give it maybe white space, no wrap, okay? So it becomes like this on that line, okay? Okay. Then I come here after giving it white space, no wrap, it becomes like that. Then I come here, overflow hidden, overflow hidden, okay? So overflow is hidden, okay? It is now removed, okay? Then I come here and give here text overflow ellipsis, okay? Text overflow ellipsis. So it will have something like this, okay? Text overflow ellipsis, okay? So it will have something like this, okay? Like that. And you can see these spaces, they are here at the end. The dots are here at the end, which are ellipses, okay? How members have understood this very well. This is what they use when they are on courses. For example, e-commerces, for example, like Jumia, which have long descriptions, okay? Okay. So, members, I hope you have understood the truncate very well, okay? The truncate, I hope you have understood it very well. So maybe I can remove this truncate here and I just underline. You write it somewhere, okay? Write it somewhere. So maybe let me come here and give maybe the line clamp. Now the line clamp is one whereby we have line clamp, where we have like 2 lines or 3 lines or 4 lines like that, okay? Okay, so I come here and give maybe line clamp. I come here on my style, then I come here and I say dot line clamp, okay? And I come here and say width, and maybe I say 300 pixels still, Okay? Then I come here, I say display. 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 Then now I'm going to choose a certain display. I'm going to come here and choose maybe WebKit. Okay? WebKit box. Okay? WebKit box. Okay? Then I come here, I say dot WebKit box. WebKit line clamp. Dot WebKit line clamp. Okay? WebKit line clamp. And for example, if I want only 3 lines, I just choose 3 lines. Okay? Then I come and I say here, and I can even add another line clamp. Yeah? And I put here 3 lines as you see there. And I come here and I say dot WebKit box orient. Okay? WebKit box orient. Okay? WebKit box orient. As you see this one, and I give it maybe vertical. Okay? Okay. Then I come here and give here maybe overflow hidden. Overflow hidden. Okay? Overflow hidden, as you can see it's there. Okay? Then I come here and say text overflow. Text overflow. And maybe I choose ellipsis. Okay? Okay. So this is how the line clamp is. This is how the line clamp is. Okay? Okay. So you see it will just remain on only 3 lines. It will come 3 lines and it ends there. Okay? Okay. Members, I hope you have understood very well the concept of the line clamp. Okay? I hope you have understood very well the concept of the line clamp. Okay? Okay. So, members, I hope everybody is good. Everybody is good. Okay? Okay. So we are going to go for the last example. We're going to go for the last example of the day. People mark this very well, the truncate and also the line clamp. Mark them very, very, very well. Mark them very, very well. The truncate how it looks like and the line clamp how it looks like. Okay? Okay. So I'm going to go for the last example of the day. The last example of the day. And it's going to be something that looks like an e-commerce. Okay? Something that looks like an e-commerce.
So I want us to do some other example here, and we see how we're going to handle this. Okay? Okay. So I want us to come here and make another section. I can come here and put here section. This is section, then I come here, I say here class. I can give it a class, This is section 1. Just section 1, okay? Okay. So I come here and highlight this section 1, as you can see. It is here. So I'm going to come here in my style.css here. I highlight it. For example, I say this is section 1. Section 1, as you can see. I give it width. Width, I give it 100%. 100%. And I come and I give it here height. Height, I give it maybe 100 VH. 100 VH, okay? Okay. Then I come, I give it a background color. I can give it maybe orange red, okay? Orange red. So I want to see how it looks like. I can come here and see how it looks like. It looks like this, okay? Okay. So I'm giving orange red, okay? Okay. So maybe I can come and I remove this padding here. It's right now people have understood this concept, okay? Right now people have understood this concept. So I can remove this padding on the body. This one here. Okay? Okay. So it's like this. So this is the section that I want, okay? Put my emphasis on this one here. Okay? Okay. So in that section I'm going to put some small cards, okay? Okay. Can come here and put here, I said dot title, dot section title, dot section title. Okay? Dot section title. Okay? Okay, so section title. It's like this. Section title, okay? Okay. So maybe I can just put here maybe appliances, okay? Appliances inside this one. Appliances. Maybe I can put appliances, okay? Okay, and this one here I can maybe just say this is heading 1 appliances. Heading 1, I put the appliances. Appliances. Okay? Okay. So I'm just going to put here section title, and maybe I can put here come here in my style.css here, and I put here dot section dot title appliances dot section title dot section title. Then I come here, I say this is width. I come here, I put 100%. Then I come, I put here height. Height, I can maybe put maybe 20 VH or 15 VH, okay? Or 15 VH. I put there maybe 15 VH, okay? Okay. So I come here, I put, for example, background color. Background color, and I put here, for example, maybe green, okay? I put maybe green, okay? Okay, so it looks like this. Appliances, green like this, okay? Okay, so I'll put that one in the center. I put it in the center. I come here, maybe 10 VH can work for you. 10 VH, okay? Okay, so I'll put that one in the center like that. It is like that, okay? Okay, so I come here, I put this one in the center. I come here and I put here display flex, align item center, justify content center. Align item center, justify content center. Justify content center, okay? Justify content center, okay? Okay, so it looks like this inside the center here, okay? Okay, so this other content which is here is for appliances, okay? Okay, so this other one, I'm going to say put your section body, dot section body. I put here section body, come I put dot section body, like this. Here as it is there. Then I come here, I put here dot section body, then I come here, I say this is width 100%, then I come here, I say this is height, and I say this is 90 VH, okay? Okay, then I come here, I say this is background color, and I put here maybe blue, okay? Okay, just like that. So it looks like this, okay? Okay, so this is where I'm going to put my appliances, okay? I'm going to put my appliances, okay? Okay, so this one here, I'm going to put here some div. I'm going to come here, I can come here and I put here products or appliances, okay? Okay, so I can come here and put maybe there are various products I'm going to put here. I'm going to put here fridges, I'm going to put there fridges, I'm going to put there, or I can even change this one from appliances to products, okay? Someone will be saying, you're using a very complicated term. Let me just say products, okay? Okay, just like that, products. Then I come here, inside here, I put various products, okay? Okay, then I come here, I say dot product container, dot product container. Product container. As you see, the product container is there. It's like this. So the product container, I'm going to put come here. You say here dot product container, dot product container, dot product container, dot product container. Here I come here. You say this is width. I come here. You say 100%. Maybe no. Let me just say maybe 30%. Then I come here. You say this is height. Maybe I can say maybe I can say maybe 8 VH. I say 8 VH, okay? And I come here, I say background color, maybe I may say brown, okay? Brown, okay? Okay. So I want to see how the product container looks like. It looks like this, okay? Okay. So I want to put like three products inside. But this one I may just say maybe display grid, okay? Display grid, just like that. Display grid, because I want it to be like that. And I come here, I say grid template columns, grid template columns. And I can come here, I say repeat maybe auto fit. I say repeat auto fit. Maybe, and I come here, I say min max. And I put this one is maybe 250 pixels. 50 pixels. Then here 1 FR. Okay, just like this. Okay. Okay. So anyway, and I come and you see the product container. It looks how it looks like. It's like this. Section body. Okay. It should be right now. It should be 250 pixels like that. So this one, the product container is like that. Okay. Okay.
So if I come and maybe duplicate the product container, I'll see how it looks like when I duplicate it into 3. Come when I duplicate into 3, 2, 3, and I see. Okay, here I can see right now. I can see. So I want it to be. I want them to occupy maybe 100%. Okay, 100%, 100%. So it's going to be like this. Okay. Yeah, there's no gap. There's no gap. There's no gap. I come here and put maybe gap of 1 rem. Gap of 1 rem. 1 rem. Okay. So it's like that, and I come here, I put maybe display, maybe grid, maybe display, then padding. Padding I can also put 1 rem, okay? 1 rem, just like this, okay? Okay. So everything looks to be good. Products are here, okay? My products are here. So even if I say the auto responsive, even if I use it into sites, okay? It's all the auto responsive, okay? It's auto responsive, okay? Okay, it's auto responsive, as you can see, it's there. So as you can see, everything looks to be good on my side. Everything looks to be good on my side. So what am I going to do? These products here, I'm going to put them. I'm going to put these products up. I'm going to put something inside. Okay, these products. So let me first move this one, and I show you how it's going to be. So the product container is this one here. So now I want to put now product title and description. So I'm going to come here and say product title, product title, product title, product title, product title. Okay. Okay, product title, as you can see, it's there. Then I put here fridges. Then I put there fridges. Or I can even put there H1, maybe fridges. Fridges. Okay? Fridges. So it looks like that. It's like this, okay? Maybe I may say this is heading 2, because heading 1, it being like that. Let me just say fridges like that, okay? Okay. So it looks like that. Now, what am I going to do? I'm going to come here. I'm going to come here and put maybe now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come and I put the description. I say dot product description. Dot product description. Dot product description. Okay? Description. Dot product description. Okay? Okay. Just like this. And I'm going to put there some certain description. Okay? I can maybe just say Lorraine. Just like this. As you can see, it's like that. Okay? Okay. So it will appear like that. As you can see. Then I come and I put the price. The price. The price. The price of the product. Come here, it said dot product price, product price, okay? Product price, as you can see, it's like that, okay? Okay, so maybe I can put here, maybe it's in dollars, I can maybe put here price, maybe heading 2, or maybe H3, maybe heading 2, then I put here price, okay? Price, then I come and I put there the dollar, as you see the dollar is there, then I put the dollar here, maybe price, and I put a dollar. Okay, dollar is there. Maybe I can maybe say 460, 456. Okay, okay. So it will be like that. Okay, okay. So maybe heading 2 is big. A little bit. Let me say heading 3, and I see. Okay, so the price is there. So as you can see, it's like that. And I come here now. I put maybe I come here and I put maybe. What am I going to put? I'm going to come and I put. What I'm going to put is now I'm going to put the buttons, okay? And I say here maybe button container. I can maybe just say button container or even the button. Let me just put here button, okay? Button, okay? I put here button. And the button, this one is going to have maybe view details, okay? This one is going to have view details, okay? Okay. So it looks like this, it looks like that, okay? Button view details. I can come in and maybe style it. I can come in and style it. I come inside here and I say here class, and I say view details button, view details button, view details button, view details button, okay? View details button, as it looks like this, okay? And I come here and style it. I can give it some styles. I come here and I say dot view details button, dot view details button, view details button, dot view details button. and I come and I give it, for example, this is width. Maybe I can maybe just say padding. Maybe padding, I can maybe just say 1 rem, maybe 0.5 rem, 0.5 rem, 1 rem on the side, okay? 0.5 rem, 1 rem on the side. So it looks like that, okay? Okay, I say maybe cursor pointer, cursor maybe pointer, okay? Okay, then I come here and say maybe view details. Then I come here and say maybe background color maybe red, okay? Okay, then I come here and I say border, maybe border radius maybe 18 pixels, okay? 18 pixels, and I see looks like this, okay? Okay, maybe 18 pixels is too much. Maybe let me just say 10 pixels, okay? 10 pixels, just like this, okay? Okay, so as it looks like that, I can maybe come and say border none, okay? Border none, I move that border, okay? So it looks like this, okay? View details, just like this, okay? So that's how the button is going to appear. So everything is like that, everything is good. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to come here and now I want to specify this one here. Maybe fridges like that, I give it some bit of width or title. So product container, as you see, the product container is there. So what am I going to do? I'm going to come here and put maybe product title. I specified product title, as you can see, it's there. So I'm going to come and specify it here. I come and say product title, dot product title, dot product title. Then I come here and say this is width. It's going to occupy width, maybe 100%. And I come and I put here 100%. And I come and I put here height. Height, maybe I can maybe say maybe this is 10 VH, okay? 10 VH, okay? Okay. So it's going to be like that, and it comes maybe background color, maybe gray, okay? Okay. So it looks like this. The fridges are here, everything is there. Then the description, product description. I'm going to come here and I put here the product description, dot product description, dot product description, description. I'm going to come and I give it, for example, this is width. Width, I give it maybe 100%. Then I come and I give here height. Height, I can maybe come and I give here maybe 40 VH, okay? And I come and I give here background color maybe pink, background color pink, okay? Okay, so it looks like this. The description is going to be here, then the price, then the product, as you see it there. So the product price, as you see it is here, product price. So let us also select it. Come here and say product price, product price, and I come here and I say this is width, and I come here, I say this is width maybe 100%, and I come here and I say this is height, maybe I may say height is maybe height, let me say maybe height, let me just say maybe 10 VH, okay? Okay, so it looks like that, okay? Okay, so what am I going to do? I'm going to just come here and maybe 5 VH is enough, 5 VH or 7 VH is enough for this, okay? Okay, just like that. So looks like this. So what am I going to do? I'm going to come in and I put various products, okay? Various products. So this is where it's going to become tricky, eh? When I come here, product container, as you can see, it's like this. So I'm going to come and put various products. So I come here like that, I put here, and I come like this and I put here. They are now 3, 4. Are you seeing it? They are now coming 4. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing these members? Okay? Are you seeing these members? Okay? Okay. So now you will see something like this, whereby they are like that. Okay? Now these are fridges. I can maybe say this one is televisions. I can maybe come here and put maybe this one. I can maybe say this is televisions. Okay? Televisions. Okay? I'm going to ignore the image for just today. I'm going to ignore the image just for today. Just try to understand the concept, okay? Okay. So I put there maybe televisions, and I put here maybe fridges, and I put here hoofers. hoofers, okay, hoofers, then I come here and I put here maybe, what can I put here? Televisions, fridges, and what can I put here? Maybe, what can I put here? Can maybe just say smartphones, okay? Smartphones, okay? Smartphone. Maybe smartphone, maybe this is fridge. Let me just say this is hoofer, then maybe this is television, just television, okay? Television, just like that. And I come here and put maybe fridge, okay? Fridge. So members, are you seeing this? This is smartphone, like that, like that, like that, okay? Okay. So I can maybe just come and put some bit of padding, because padding is just killing me here. Padding is just killing me. And even a line item center, just 5 content center, okay? Okay, so I can come here and put maybe product title. I can put here maybe let me say display flex. Okay, line item center, justify content center, justify content center, justify content center. Okay, okay, just like this. Okay, so that one becomes in the middle. So I also come, I copy all this, I put on the product description here, like that. Okay, and I come also, I put this one also on the product price here. It's like this. Okay, so let me say it's going to appear like that in the center. Okay, okay, so everything is somehow good, then I come here, the product description, right now the product description is there, but did I have to put maybe all this 40 VH? This one looks to be maybe somehow very big, okay? Maybe something like that can work. Maybe even 20 VH can work for me, okay? Even 20 VH can work for me, like that, okay? Okay, so what I'm minding about is everything being in the center, okay? Everything being in the center. I can come here and say maybe margin left. I can maybe just say maybe 50%, okay? 50%, just like that. Maybe 50% is big. Let me just say maybe 40%. 40%, and I see. Maybe 45% I see. 45% I see. Maybe 30%. I'm trying just various, and I see various ways. So 30%, maybe 32%, and I see. So something close to this, 30 to 35%. And you see, okay, just like that, okay? Okay, so it's somehow good, So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come here and put maybe, instead of this brown 80 VH, come here and I put maybe this is 50 VH, okay? 50 VH. So it comes like that, okay? Okay, so everything looks to be good, okay? Everything looks to be good on my side here. So what I'm going to do, maybe product content, I want to change the description. I'm going to come and I put maybe padding, some bit of padding, okay? A bit of padding. I come here and put maybe padding. Padding, I can maybe come and put here maybe 1 rem, okay? 1 rem, just like this, okay? Okay, so it looks to be good somehow. It's now good. So what am I going to do? I'm going to come, when I tap on view details, it should show me the details of that particular container, okay? It should show me details of that particular container, okay? So members, when I come, I tap on, for example, this one, it shows me details of that particular container, this one, like that, okay? That's what I'm trying to achieve. But now let me first come here and work on, for example, this one here, For example, the box, okay? The overall box, the product container, So the product container, where is it? Where is the product container? I'm looking for it. Product container is here, okay? Okay, so it is here. And I can come and I maybe put border radius. Maybe I put like 10 pixels, okay? 10 pixels, just like this, okay? Okay, so it looks somehow good. So what am I going to do? I'm going to come here and put maybe, I remove now the colors, okay? I can come and remove the colors if I don't want them, okay? Okay, so what is my emphasis? My emphasis is if I tap on, maybe let me first give here some bit of product container. Where is the product container? It is here. Okay, so I come here and put maybe box shadow. Maybe I put maybe one pixel, 2 pixels, maybe 3 pixels, maybe gray. Okay, gray. So it looks like this. Okay. So what I'm going to come in and remove this. Okay, I come in and remove this pink also. And I come in and remove this red here. Maybe the red I can leave it, so it will appear like this. And I come in and remove the red here. Okay, I come in and remove are you seeing here the product container? The one is the color which is on product container, the brown. Okay, come and remove it, so it becomes like that. Okay, so it looks like this. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to come in and remove now I'm going to come in and remove the blue which is on the body here. Then I remove the blue. Then I come also and I remove the green which is here. Okay, come and I remove the green which is here. Okay. Then I come and I remove also the orange which is here. Okay. So it's going to appear, it's going to be like this. Okay, it's going to be like this. So I'm going to come and remove the orange which is here. It's not going to appear like this. Okay. So my products are going to be like this. Okay. So maybe let me just try to increase the border, the box shadow a little bit, and maybe from gray, maybe gray, maybe let me make it darker. Okay, let me try to make it maybe darker. I see, like that. Okay. So and so it looks like this. Okay, there is fridge, television, woofer, smartphone, like that. Okay. So when you tap on, for example, view details, it should show me the details of that particular product. Okay, show me the details of that particular product. So let me first remove this green here, and we see product title. This green, I remove it here. Also the color. Okay, so it becomes like this. Okay, it becomes like that. Okay, so when I tap on, for example, view details, it shows me the details of this fridge. The television shows me the details of this woofer, of that television, the woofer, and also the smartphone. Okay. So what am I going to do? I'm going to come here. This one maybe I can remove. I can maybe try to comment this one which is up here. I comment this whole part which is up here and leave only what is necessary here. So let me first comment this. Okay. Let me first comment that. So I'm left with only this one. Okay, products are here. There is fridge, television, woofer, and smartphone. Okay, so when I tap on this one, it shows me the details. So right now I'm going to apply the truncate onto the description because the description is too big. Okay, I can either use the line clamp or I can use the truncate. Okay, so let me just use the line clamp on the description and I see. Okay, let me use the line clamp on the description and I see how it looks like. So this description here, I'm going to just come, I put it under the line clamp. Okay, I come inside here, I put it under the line clamp. Okay, members, I understand. So I come and I remove this, and I put here line clamp, as you see it here. So I put the description there, and I put it there. Okay. So even here, it's the same thing I'm going to do, and I put line clamp, as you see it here. Okay. So everything is like this. So everything is good like that. Okay. So I come and I remove also this one. Maybe put line clamp. Okay. And I put it inside the line clamp like this. Okay. So when I come also, I remove this one and I put it inside the line clamp. I said line clamp, and I put it inside there like this. Okay, like that. Okay. So it's going to come like this when it is reduced. Okay, the description is now reduced. I see a fridge like this. All the descriptions for this one and that one. Okay. So let me just give maybe different prices. I can maybe just say
Maybe this one is maybe 700, okay? So this one here I can maybe just say maybe this is maybe 200, like this. Then this one is maybe, this one is maybe 2380, like that, okay? So the prices are different, okay? So it's 200, this one is like that, okay? Like that. So when I come and tap on view details, it shows me the details of that particular item, and also with the detailed description. So what am I going to do? I'm going to come here and put maybe let me just say color white, okay? Color white there. So I'm going to design the pop-up. I'm going to design the pop-up, okay? Okay, I'm going to design the pop-up. So how am I going to do this? I'm going to design the pop-up. The pop-up whereby it shows the whole overall description, okay, on the of all the products. So what am I going to do? I'm going to come here. I'm going to come here and tap on, maybe when I tap there, it should show, okay? Okay. So what am I going to do? I'm going to come here. Now I design the pop-up. I'm going to come in and design the pop-up. I come here and design the pop-up. At the very end here, I say here dot pop-up, okay? Dot pop-up. Then I come here, I come here at the very end and I say here dot pop-up. Dot pop-up. Dot pop-up. Just like this. So here I want to put maybe like this, okay? Okay. So it appears like this, and I say this is width. Maybe let me just say 100%. So when I come here, I say height, maybe 100 VH, okay? VH. Maybe let me just say 90 VH, okay? 90 VH. Just like this, okay? Okay. So I want to say it looks like, I'm going to come here and say background color black. Background color black, okay? Background color black. Maybe let me just put maybe 80 VH. Okay. And I come here and put maybe position fixed. Okay. Position fixed. Then I come here and I say that pop up is like this. And I come and I say top zero. Okay. Top zero. Like that. Okay. Okay. So it appears to be like this. The pop-up is going to be like that, okay? Okay. So it's going to appear to be like this. And I come here, maybe let me just say 100%, I see. 100%. 100 VH, and I see. Like this, okay? Okay. So what am I going to do? I'm going to come here on the pop-up itself. On the pop-up, I'm going to put there some div also. The div is going to be there. So the pop-up is going to be like this. So it's by default, it will be like that. So I come here, I put here pop-up. Inside the pop-up, I can maybe come in, I put there maybe a div. I can maybe just say pop-up container inside here. Pop-up inner container, just like this, which looks like this, okay? Pop-up inner container, which looks like this. So I'm going to come here and copy this, and I put it inside here. Pop-up inner container, and I come and I put here, this is width, and I put here maybe 40% or 50%, okay? 50%, and I come here and I put here height, and I can maybe put this is 100% or 90%, okay? Okay, so it looks like that. So this one here, it's going to be the inner one, okay? And I come here and say background color white, okay? Just like this, okay? Okay, so it looks like this. But now this one I'm going to put in the center. I'm going to put this one in the center, okay? Okay, so this one I'm going to come here and put here display flex, align item center, justify content center, okay? Okay, just like this, okay? Okay, this one here I can even come, maybe I reduce the tone a little bit,
maybe I reduce the tone a little bit. I can come here. Just reduce the tone a little bit like this. Okay. Okay. So if you whereby you can see maybe it's like that. The pop-up is maybe I want to reduce it a little bit, like up to there. So it looks like this. Okay. Maybe let me continue reducing it. Let me continue increasing it a little bit, like up to there. Okay. Okay, just like that. Okay. Okay. So the pop-up is going to be like that. Okay. And now the pop-up is going to maybe let me say 95%. 95%. That was 95% here. Just something like this. But now it looks a bit too sharp. Let me reduce. Let me reduce it a little bit. There. A little bit there. Something like that. Okay. So the pop-up is going to cover like this. It's going to be like that. So the pop-up container is going to be like that. And I come here, I give maybe. Come in, I give here maybe background color is like that. Everything looks to be good. Then right now, as you can see, it looks like that. And I come here and I put maybe I can even put border radius, and I come here and I put maybe 10 pixels. Okay, 10 pixels, and it appears to be like this. Okay. Okay. So the pop-up is like that. So right now the pop-up is going to contain a pop-up header. It may be pop-up container header. Okay. Come here and I put here the header. Now I'm going to put here the header. Come here, I put dot pop-up container header. Are you seeing the header? The header, like this. The header. Then I come and I put even the body. Okay? Then I come and I put here the body. Okay? Okay. And I come and I put here also the body. Okay? Okay. So it looks like that. So it's going to come. I want to come and I put here maybe back. This one, the header is going to be like green. Okay? It's going to be like green. And I put here the header is going to be like green. Come here, I put here maybe width is maybe 100%. Let me say 100%. Okay. And I come here, I say height. Then I say height is maybe let me say maybe 10 vh. Okay. And I come here and I say background color, and I put maybe green. Background color and I put maybe green. Okay, just like that. And I come here and I say this is good. Now the body. Is on next. Come here. I put here now. I put the space there and I put now the body. And I come here. I put here orange red. Okay. Okay. So orange red is there. But this one, this one is going to occupy like all of it. It's going to occupy all of it. I can maybe just say 90 VH. Okay. Maybe let me say 80. Maybe let me just say maybe height. Let me just say 100%. Okay. 100%, just like this. Maybe no. Let me just say maybe 90%. I see. So it occupies all of it. Okay. Okay. So my 90%. Let me just say 80%. I see. 80%. 90% can work. 90% can work. 90% can work just like that. Okay. Okay. So it will appear like that. So as you can see, the pop-up is like this. So I'm going to come here and put now the X. Okay. Inside here, I'm going to put here the X. Okay. X container. Come here. I now go to flat icons. Come here. Go now to flat icons. Maybe box icons, not flat icons. Let me go to box. Box icons. Box icons. So I'm going to look for that one called X, or the X. Okay. I'm going to look for that one where we have X. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to look for that one where there is X. So I come here. I'm now going to put here inside this header. I'm going to put here X container. I put here X container. Okay. .x container inside here, and I come here inside here at the end here and I put .x container
container, and I come here and I say this is width. Width, maybe I may just say maybe 30 pixels. Then height, I may just say maybe 30 pixels also. Okay. Background color, maybe I may just say maybe what background color can I give it? I like using a lot of colors. Maybe brown. Let me see brown. Okay. Let me see brown how brown looks like. Looks like that. Okay. So let me just increase a little bit. Let me just say maybe 50 pixels. 50 pixels. 50. Okay. 50 pixels. Okay. Okay. So it is there. Okay. It is there. So I'm going to come here and I put here maybe I put it in the center. I come here and say display flex. Display flex. Align items center. Align items. Align items. End. Center. Then justify content end. Justify content end. Content end. Okay. Okay. So I put it there at the end. So it goes this side at the end. Okay. Okay. So as you can see, it's there. It is there. So what am I going to do? I'm going to come here and now I'm going to put X inside this X container here, seeing here. Okay. Okay. So the X container is, and I'm going to put the X. So what am I going to do? I'm going to come here. Not come here. Maybe if I say maybe 55. Can 55 be good? 55 pixels, can it be good? Yeah, 55 is good. Okay. Okay. So maybe just some bit of padding. Padding, just padding. Maybe padding, maybe 0.2 rem. 0.2 rem. Okay. Okay. Just like that. Okay. Okay. Just like that. Okay. Okay. So that's where I'm going to put my X. This way I'm going to put my X. I come here and now I'm searching for X inside here. Okay. Okay. So I come here in my account and I search for X. I'm now going to search for X. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to call X is already here. Okay. X is already here. So I've searched for X. It's already here in my usage. Okay. Okay. So as you can see it here. So I just copy it here. I bring it inside my code here. So I bring it here. Inside it is there. So it is there. But now I come here to usage. Usage. Come here to usage. I want to see how they used it. Then I come and I get this link here. This link here, and I put it inside there. So I come and I put this link inside here. I put that link inside here. So I bring and I put the link inside there, box icons like that. Then I come and I see how it looks like that. Okay, X is here. So X is there. So I'm going to come and I expand it a little bit. Okay, I expand it inside the X container. I come and I say this is display flex, align item center, center, justify content center, justify content center. So it goes in the center of the brown of that X container. Okay. Then I come and I expand. I say font size. Maybe I say extra large. Okay. Okay. The X is there. Okay. Maybe I may just say maybe 300%. I see. Okay. The X is there. Okay. Okay. So the X is there. So I'm going to come and I make it maybe I can just leave it the way it is. I can come and I remove it in the brown. Okay. That's like that. So it becomes like that. Okay. Move the brown. I can also come in and move in the green. Okay. So the X is there. Okay. The X is there. But now I come here on the X container here, and I come and I put here cursor pointer. Cursor pointer. Okay. Cursor pointer. It's like that. So it's like that. So when I tap on X, it closes. Okay. It will be there responsible for closing the pop-up. Okay. Okay. So as you can see, it looks like that. Now inside the body here. Inside the body here. Inside the body, the inner body, so I'm going to put the description and everything. Okay. Okay. So now I'm going to redesign this body here, and I make it dynamic. Okay. It will contain something like this. It will contain something like this, like the and for the product here. Okay. To contain something like this, but and for the product. So I'm going to come and I redesign that one, the body.
it's here. Here, container body here. So I'm going to come and I redesign it. I can even come and put it here. Okay? Come and I put it there very well. But now this one I remove the button very well. I move the buttons like that. Everything looks to be like that. Okay? Okay. So everything is good. Everything is good. So I can come and I remove even this one. Okay? Okay. Just like this. So it's going to contain dummy data like this. Okay? It's going to contain dummy data like this. Okay? It's going to contain dummy data like this. Okay? Okay. So it's going to be containing data like this. So what am I going to do? I'm going to come here and I remove all this one. So it's going to come and I remove all this one. So I come here. Maybe this one is not necessary. Let me come here. Where there is body, I remove this one. I now remove this one. I now remove that one. Okay. Okay. So it becomes like that. So it becomes like this. Okay. So it will show me the title, everything. Okay. Okay. So now at this moment I can even come and remove the container body, which is maybe orange. I remove it. Okay. Okay. So I can remove it like this. Okay. Okay. So when I tap there, this one here now it should close. It should now close. Okay. This one here by default, by default, by default, by default, this one here by default, it should be hidden. Okay. By default, this one should be hidden. Okay. Okay. Popup, this one should be hidden. So display none. Okay. Display none. So it goes away. So when I tap here, this one should show. This one should show the details of that. Of this one, the television, details of the hoofer, details of the smartphone on that pop-up. Okay. Okay. So what am I going to do? I'm going to come here. Now this is the point of this is now the period whereby everything is good. Okay. This is the point where everything is good. Now I come to my app.js. Very well. Everything is good at this moment. I hope everybody has understood everything we have been doing. Okay. Now I come here. This is example 3. Example 3. Okay. Example 3. Example 3. I come here. Example 3. Okay. Okay. Someone come here and select all the buttons. All these buttons you're seeing here. All these buttons. This one, this one, this one, this one. Okay. I come and select all of them. I come and I say const. Const. Eh? Const and I show details buttons or view details buttons. So const view details buttons. Details buttons. Okay. Const view details buttons. Okay. Const view details buttons. And I come and say is equal to query selector all. Query selector. Query selector all. Is equal to document. Document. Document dot query selector all. Okay. And I select all those buttons. I come and I put there the dot and I select all the buttons. Okay. The buttons are which ones? The buttons are view details button. This one here, seeing here. Okay. There are many, so I select all of them at the same time. So I put them there like that. Okay. Okay. So now I'm selecting all the buttons. Selecting all the buttons. I come here and say selecting all the buttons. All the buttons. Okay. Okay. Selecting all the view details buttons. The view details buttons. The view details buttons. Okay. Selecting all the view details buttons. View details buttons. So they're here. Okay. Okay. So I come here. I say now I select the pop-up, and I select the pop-up. Select the pop-up. Select the pop-up. Okay. I come here and say const. Now pop-up. Const pop-up is equal to document. It's equal to document. Dot query selector. Dot query selector. And I come and I put there this, and I say dot Now I want to get the pop-up. Where is the pop-up? It is here. Okay, it is here. Okay, it is here. Pop-up. Are you seeing it? It is here. So I'm going to come and I copy this pop-up. Okay, I put it here. Dot pop-up. Dot pop-up. Okay. Okay. So now at this moment in time, I now select the closing button. Okay. Now select the closing button. Select the closing button. The closing button. The closing button. Okay. Okay. And I come here and say const closing button. Closing button. Closing button is equal to document dot query selector document dot query selector, and I put there X container. Okay, remember it is the X container, this one which is here. Okay, the X container which is here. Okay, okay. So I'm going to come and I put here dot X container. X container. Dot X container, as you see it is there. So as I'm doing like this, and I loop through each button. Come and I loop through each button. Loop through each button. Okay? Loop through each button. Each view details button. Each view details button. Okay? Okay. These buttons you are seeing here on the UI. These ones here are seeing this one. Okay? Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come, I loop through each and every button. And I say here, show details buttons. Come here and I put here view details buttons. View details buttons. Okay, as you can see them there. Dot for each. Okay, dot for each. And I come here and I put here dot for each view details button. Dot for each view detail. Dot for each view detail button. Only view detail single button. Okay, dot view detail single button. Okay, as you see it there. Okay, view details buttons. Dot for each view detail single button. Okay, as you see it there. And I come and I put here the arrow function, as you see, and I open now the parentheses like this. Okay, okay. So I'm now looping through all the buttons. Okay, okay. I'm looping through all the buttons. And I come and I add an event listener to them. I come and I say view details single button. As the view details single button, I add an event listener to it. I come and I put that one dot. Okay, add event listener. Add event listener. I now put the click. Okay, I now put the click. Okay, I now put the click. So I come and I put here click. Okay, I now put the click there, and I come and I put here. So I want now listen to that event, the event. Okay, the event. Or I can even put an arrow function, but let me just put an event. Okay, event, and I want to listen to that event which is happening. And now I put now the parentheses there very well. Okay. Okay. So now, as you can see, it looks like this. So this moment in time, I'm going to come here and I say const. Okay. Product container. I have to get that container which is the overall. Okay. That container which is the overall. Product container which is the overall. And I come here is equal to view detail buttons. View detail single button. View detail single button, as you see it here. Dot closest. Okay. Now I'm using the closest which I started, and I put there this one here. Dot product container. Now the product container is this one which you're seeing here. That the product container is this one here which you're seeing here. Okay. Product container. This one here, which is harboring the whole of it. Okay. So which is harboring the whole of it. And I come and I put it there like that. Okay. Okay. So as you see, it's like this. So after me doing like this, now I want to get the items that are going to change. Okay. Now select the items that are going to change. Select the items that are going to change. that are going to change. Okay? Okay. So when I come here and I set the items, I come here and I say const. What is going to change here may be the name. Can the name change? The title. It's going to change. The title is going to change, okay? Title is going to change. Is equal to now product container. This product container here you are seeing here. Product container, the one you're seeing here. I come and put it there. Dot dataset. Dot dataset, okay? Dot name, okay? Dataset dot name, okay? Dataset dot name, okay? So I come here dot dataset dot name, okay? Dot dataset dot maybe title, dot title, okay? Dot title, dataset dot title, okay? Okay. So I'm going to come here and I put here maybe const price. Maybe price is one is going to change. The price is equal to maybe let me just start with the description. Description, okay, is equal to product container dot description, okay, description, okay, okay, dot dataset dot description, dataset dot description, okay, okay, just like this. So I'm going to come here and I put maybe now I come and I put here maybe which other one is going to change. Which other one is going to change if I come here. Which other one is going to change? I come here, the description, then the price, like this, the price, the description, and maybe the name. Okay, price, description, and the name. Okay, so the price is now missing. Come here and say const, and I come and I put here price. Okay, price, and I say it's equal to product container dot dataset dot price. Okay, dot price. Okay, okay. So I come here and I now fill. I come in and I fill the pop-up content. Okay, come in and I fill the pop-up content. The pop-up if content. The pop-up content. The pop-up content now. Okay, okay. And I come here and say pop-up, which is already here selected. Dot inner HTML. Dot inner HTML. Okay, is equal to, and I put these quotes, these ones here, the backticks. Okay. In HTML, and I now put the whole template. I drag the whole template there. Okay, this is a template which is here. This is a template which is here. This one here, which is on the body, pop-up body, is that you're going to drag and put there. Okay, this one here is that you're going to drag and put there. Okay, okay. So I'm going to come and I drag and I put there the whole template. Okay, okay. So I'm going to drag and I come to come inside here and I drag the whole of it like this. Okay, all of this one, and I put it inside there. Okay, okay. So I come and I drag and I put it inside here like this. Okay, okay. As you can see, it's like that. So I put a title like that, the fridge like that. So now I'm going to come and I put there inside here. Come and I put inside there. Name, they come and I put their title name like that. I put now the dollar signs. Okay. And I put there the dollar signs like this, the dollar signs. Where are the dollar signs? Like this, dollar sign. Looking for a dollar sign, it is there. Okay, it's like that. And I come and I put there title, just like this title. Okay, okay. So when I come and I put instead of this description as you see it here, when I come and I now put there, I put now a dollar sign there, dollar sign.
and I put there description. And I come inside here where there is this dollar sign there, and I put there a dollar sign, and now I put now this one here, and I put here price. Okay, and I put here price. As you see, the price is there. So it's very good at this moment. At this moment in time, it's very good. Okay. So now what am I going to do? I'm going to come here. I trigger now. Show the pop-up. Okay. Come and I trigger now to show the pop-up inside. Come and I trigger. I come here. Show pop-up. Show pop-up. Pop-up when clicked. Okay. Show pop-up when clicked. Okay. When clicked. Okay. So then I come and I put. I now trigger. I say pop-up dot style. Okay. Dot display. Pop dot style dot display. Okay, is equal to maybe flex. Okay, flex. Are you seeing it? Okay, just like that. Then I come here, I say now close pop-up. Close the pop-up button. Close the pop-up when clicked. Close the pop-up. Now we are going to come here, close the pop-up. Yeah? When the close button is clicked. Close button. When the closing button is clicked. Okay? Then I come here, I say here, pop-up dot style dot display. Pop-up dot style. Not computer style. Dot style. Dot display. And I say is equal to none. Okay? Is equal to none. Okay? Just like this. So this one is not computer style. This is style. Okay? Like this. Okay? Just as simple as that. So let us see how it is right now. Okay? Let us see how it is right now. So when I come here, I expect this thing to be working right now. I expect it to be working right now. And now I'm going to trigger and see. I expect it to be working right now. So the pop-up, did you select the pop-up very well? Dot pop-up is here. Select it very well. So I expect this thing to be working right now. But for each view details single button dot add like this, the event. Now the event, right now the event, I'm not seeing the event here. Okay? It's nothing that is not happening right here. Maybe let me just say this. Yeah. I was wondering something is not right. That sounds like this. So now I'm wondering. We are still trying each and everything. Okay? We are still trying and we see. So at this moment in time, product container title. Popup.style display flex. Okay, display block. Okay, display block, can you see? So now where is the pop-up? I'm asking myself where the pop-up is. Okay, the pop-up. So the pop-up is here. The pop-up is here. So now I'll ask myself why the pop-up is not showing. Okay, display position like this. Display none. Okay, it's display none by default. It's display none. Okay, so display flex would have been the one to show it, but I don't know why it's not showing up. So right now you can see right now that it's working. So when I tap on here, the pop-up shows. Okay, when I tap here, the pop-up shows. Okay, when I tap here, the pop-up shows. Okay, when I tap here, the pop-up shows. Okay, so I want when the pop-up shows, it shows that information for the smartphone here. Okay, are you seeing it? And when the pop-up shows here, it shows the information for the woofer. And when the pop-up shows, it shows the information for the television. And when the pop-up shows, it shows the information for the fridge. Okay? Okay. But it's the same pop-up. Okay? Okay. So what am I going to do? I'm going to come here. I'm going to come here. You can see here I made a mistake. I just made some simple mistake here. I'm going to come here and remove this. Okay? Come here and remove this. I can come here and I remove this one here. Okay, so on the product title, this one remove that. That's a mistake. Remove this also. Remove that. Also come here on the product on the data.price. Remove also this one. Okay. Okay. So remove that and also. So we come here. Also here we had made a mistake here. Data on data price. Remove that one. Also this one here. Remove all those ones which are still there. Okay. Remove them. So I come here on data title here. Also remove that one. Remove that. Also, I come here, data price here, also remove this one also, remove this. Also come here, data description, remove that one also. Okay? Okay. So remove that, remove this, remove this, remove that. So what you're going to do is you're going to do something. It's going to be some small thing here. Remove also this, remove this, remove that. Come here on the data price also, remove this also. Okay, so everything looks to be good right now. So you're just going to come on this product container here and you put the data for that. Okay, here, for example, I can maybe say data description like that. Okay, okay, put this data there just like this. Okay, okay. You can see the data is going to be here for the data product container. Okay, okay, just put the data there as you see it there. So when I come on this product container here, I also fixed the data there. I can maybe just say that this one is maybe for televisions, okay? This is for television, okay? Okay, just like that. So as you can see, maybe the price for this one, maybe I can just say maybe 238, okay? 238, okay? 238, just like this, okay? Okay, just like that. Also the algorithm like that. Then I come here also on on this one here, I also do the same. Okay? I also do the same for the one for the offer. I can maybe just say this is offer, just like this, offer, just like this. Then I come here on the price is how much? This is 200. This is 200, okay? This is price is 200. As you can see, you come here on the smartphone, it's also here. Okay? On the smartphone, it's also there. So this one is smartphone. Okay? Smartphone. This is smartphone. Smartphone. Okay? Just like this. Okay? Okay. So it looks big, everything looks big good on my side, everything looks big good on my side, as you can see, it's like that. So now what I'm going to do next, as you can see, everything is good, okay? Okay. So what we need is that when we are fetching data, it should show, okay? You see now, right now, are you seeing? It's showing some bit of signs, okay? Television, hoofer. Are you seeing right now? So right now, if it's now showing, are you seeing now the pop-up? Members, I'm now seeing the pop-up. So when I come here, it's put on the fridge. The fridge is being fetched. Are you seeing? The fridge is being fetched. Okay. Okay. Then here the television is also being fetched. When I tap on the television, it's being fetched. When I come on the hoover, it's being fetched. As you can see, it's there. When I come on the smartphone, it's also being fetched. Are you seeing the price? Okay. Okay. So then I come on and put, for example, this one I can put maybe the price is 700. The price is 700. Uh, the price is 700. I can come here. The price here is 700. The product price. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I can come here. Instead of this, I can maybe come and I put maybe Lorry. Just Lorry. Okay? Just Lorry. First take it back.
take it back like that. Then I come here, I put now the price, where is the price, where is the price, where is the price, is this one, 700, okay? This 700 you're seeing here. So I'm not going to come, I copy this 700, I put it in the data, because the data has to be dynamic. So this is what we are doing to make this one dynamic, okay? Okay, so as you can see, it's like this, okay? It's like that. Then I come and I copy all this description as you're seeing it here, I put it there, okay? I put it there in the data. So it has this particular data, okay? Okay. So when I put the data there, it's there. So when I come here also, I can also do the same thing for the data which is here, okay? Which is there. So the price here, the price for the hoofer, what's the price for the hoofer? It's 200. That is okay. So you come here, the price for this one is 238, okay? And for this one here. So this one I can come maybe and I change this one a little bit just like this. The price is 238. It's good. So everything looks a bit somehow good. Let me first see how it looks now. So when I come, I tap here. The fridge is not yet changed. The fridge is not yet changed. So when I come up here, where is the fridge? Where is the fridge? It's here. The price for the fridge, what's the price for the fridge? 456. So even here, I can maybe come and do like this, okay? Okay, so it's like that. So everything looks to be somehow good on my side right now. So when I come, I do something like this, so it fetches the price for the fridge, okay? You see the price which is here is the price which is this side here, okay? Are you seeing members? So when I come, I tap here, it shows me the price for the television which is here, which is there, okay? Okay. So the details for that hoofer also come and show here, okay? Okay. So when I come on the smartphone, it shows also here. So members, this is a very important concept, very important concept, very important concept, okay? Okay. So this one here, as you see smartphone here, it fetches the details. Details for the hoofer are there. The details for the television are here, okay? The details for the fridge are here, okay? Okay, members, I hope you have really understood this concept, okay? I hope you have really understood this concept. I hope you have really understood this concept. I can come here, members, come here and change this. Come and change this. I want you to come and change this on this product container. Remove this one here. On this, are you seeing here? Come here on the body. Come on the body here and remove this one here. Remove this, remove that, okay? Maybe, let me first leave that, and we see. But it's okay, everything is working good, okay? Everything is working good. This one is there, this one is working very good, this one is good, this one is good. So let me first try to come and remove this. I want to come and remove this, and I see if everything will work, okay? Okay, so the price, I want to look at the price. It's still normal, everything is still normal. Everything is still normal, okay? Okay, so I can come and even remove this one which is inside here. I can come inside. Are you seeing inside here where there is this one here? Because remember that I've replaced the template. Remember that I've replaced the template. Okay, I've replaced the template here. I've replaced the template here. Are you seeing the template here? I've replaced it. Popup inner container. So where there is inner container, you can come and remove everything inside there. Here. You can come and remove everything inside there, okay? Okay. So the inner pop-up container, this one can even remain empty. It's okay, okay? It is okay. So I can come and say this one remains empty. This one remains empty. This one is empty, okay? This one is empty. Are you seeing, members? This one is empty, okay? Okay. This one is empty, as you can see. It is there. So everything looks good on my side right now. I come there. Is good, okay? Fetch it for the hoofer. I come there, smartphone, okay? Okay, I come here, smart for the television, okay? Okay, on the same pop-up, okay? Wow, members, I hope you have really understood this. Let me first move this slightly and someone sees our example, view details, buttons, the pop-up, how it looks like, the loop, how we are looping through each and every button. Are you seeing? Get product data, as you can see, the product data is there. Popup inner container, the inner HTML is there. Popup style.display is there. Display flex, as you can see. Then the popup for the closing, the closing button, okay, for the closing functionality. Const close button dot like this. Are you seeing it? that X container is like that, okay? Okay. So members, I hope you have really understood this. I hope you have really understood this, okay? Okay. So I hope no one has any query about this anymore. Everybody is moving very well, okay? Everybody is understanding this concept. Members, it has been a really good lesson, members. This is a very powerful concept and you're going to meet it almost everywhere. Members, please practice. Please practice. This is our last lesson, okay? This is our last lesson. Please practice. Practice all those concepts that we have studied. Practice them, okay? Okay. Members, I hope you can have a very good day. We shall meet in tomorrow's class, okay? We shall meet in tomorrow's class, okay? Okay, so tomorrow we are ending JavaScript tomorrow. So members, I would like you to know that tomorrow we are ending JavaScript. It's going to be day 58, okay? It's going to be day 58 and tomorrow we're going to end JavaScript, okay? Okay, so members, please practice on a daily basis. You will become a very good developer. We have covered backend and we have covered front end, okay? Okay, CSS and HTML, that is front end. But JavaScript, back end, okay? Okay. So members, if you haven't yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and the notification icon so you don't miss any of the upcoming classes, okay? Okay. So members, I would like to wish you a very good day from here. Please have a very good day. We shall meet in tomorrow's class, okay? In the next video.